Okay, let me start over again. So copy, cut, and paste. So copy means to make a copy of something. So then you'll have two. You'll have the original and then you'll have the copy. Cut means to remove. So when you cut, you remove whatever is there. And that's the difference between copy and cut. When you copy or cut, it goes to the clipboard. How do we find the clipboard? Let me close this. You find the clipboard by going to the Home tab, the clipboard group. There's no clipboard command. However, when you launch the clipboard dialog box, that's the clipboard. You get the clipboard when you launch the dialog box. And the dialog, right, when you launch the clipboard dialog box. And it's really not a dialog box, it's a pane. And you can see the clipboard, it tells you it's the clipboard at the top. Below that, we have paste all, clear all, but that's grayed out, we can't use them because we have not copied or cut anything. Below that, it says click an item to paste. There's nothing in here to click. And then in the box, it says clipboard empty. Copy or cut to collect items. So in order for anything to go into the clipboard, you have to either copy something or cut something. And then down at the bottom, we have options. It has a drop-down arrow. So when you click that, you can see you get a few options that we'll talk about later. So let's see how the clipboard works. Everyone on page 40, the copy, cut, and paste section, the copy, cut, and paste heading. Okay, so we're gonna select the copy, cut, and paste heading. So what's the fastest way to select this heading?
Double click.
Double click?
One click.
Where?
That's
In the margin of the line.
What is it called?
selection.
Yes, bar, yes, the selection bar. Yes, you just click once in the selection bar and it is selected. Now there are several ways that we can copy. We're gonna copy. There are several ways that you can copy. One way is to press Control plus.
One is selection bar, Miss Yolanda, sorry.
What?
I don't get it. Which one is selection bar?
The left margin.
Left margin.
Mm-hmm. Just put the mouse pointer to the left of copy, cut, and paste in the left margin, and you see a white arrow pointing up to the right.
Yeah, usually it used to do better. It's not doing now. I don't know.
It's not doing it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
By doing right click.
Let's see. Okay, go ahead and share. Let me see.
Okay.
You have to. Oh, you are.
Restore them.
You'll have to close the clipboard because you are restored.
Oh,
Down.
okay, that's why.
Yeah, you're restored down, so you have to close the clipboard. Now try it now.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
No,
That's
not
enough.
up there, not up there. You have to put it to the left of copy, cut, and paste in the margin. In the margin, go to the margin.
Here.
Margin.
Not up there,
Yeah,
next to copy, cut, and paste. Not up there.
Mhm.
Yeah, there, but in the margin. Go to the margin.
Left. 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 Yes.
There. Now you can click.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Uh-huh. So when your windows are restored down, you're not going to have the same
Yeah.
options as when the window is maximized.
Thank you.
Okay. So we select, and we have several ways to copy. That's the first one we're gonna do. We're gonna copy. So someone name one way to copy.
Right click.
Right click on the selection.
Yes.
Everyone go ahead and right click on the selection. Do you see copy in the shortcut menu?
Yes.
Okay, what's another way? Don't click copy yet.
Control
What's another way?
Control C.
Control C. You press Control C on the keyboard. I'm sorry, Control plus C on the keyboard, and you copy. What's another way to copy?
Go to the
ribbon.
Where on the ribbon?
And the
the
quick
clipboard.
access toolbar.
Did you put it there?
Yes, I put one there.
Okay, so if you put, oh yeah, right, we did put copy. We did put copy on the quick access toolbar. So you can go to the quick access toolbar and click copy up there.
You choose more commands. Use more commands.
Repeat that.
More commands. Then you'll get a copy.
Which command?
You choose more commands. So you get
More. Oh, right. If you don't, but everyone should have it there because we did it as a class. If you don't, what more command? Where's the more command?
there are a lot of commands there.
You mean the customize quick access toolbar?
Yes.
Okay, it's not the more, it's customize quick access toolbar. Okay, so that's the third way. What's the fourth way to copy?
Go to the ribbon and the clipboard and
Ribbon, you go to the ribbon and which tab?
and the home tab,
You go to the home tab and then
you go to the clipboard and then you
you
click
go to the
copy.
clipboard group
Yeah,
and you
go to-
have copy right there.
exactly. Well, you have a different option, but one is
Uh-huh.
copy. Mhm.
Uh-huh. So as you choose your preferred way to copy, I want you to keep your eye on the clipboard. So go ahead and copy. It took mine a while. So let everyone copy, cut, and paste appear in the clipboard?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's go down to the copy box. You see to the right of the word copy, there's a small picture. Everyone sees that?
Yes.
Who doesn't see it?
Sorry, would you wiggle your mouse?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Mhm. Everyone sees it? Go ahead and click on it. So now I want you to copy that. So usually when you copy a picture, that will show, it will show as preview not available. Did everyone get that? Preview not available in the clipboard?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Tell you what, you can also copy the text box that the text, the copy text, all of that stuff is in. To copy the text box, you have to click on the dashed line. The dashed line is the text box. So go ahead and click on that yellow or orange, whatever color it is. Go ahead and click on it. And then go ahead and copy. And you can see the whole text box appears in the clipboard. And you can see the first one that we copied is the last one in the clipboard. The last one that we copied is the first one in the clipboard. Can everyone see that?
Yes.
Let's see. Any questions about copying? Okay. So one thing that I want to say about the clipboard, by default, the clipboard holds only 24 items that are either copied or cut. It can only hold 24 by default. When we say by default, immediately we know that it can be changed. Okay. Let's
I have
look.
a question.
Yes.
If I open a new document, and the clipboard is still with saving that?
Okay, let's go ahead and open a blank new document. Does that answer your question?
Yes, yes, thank you.
Mm-hmm. It stays there. And you'll see that what is on the clipboard in,
And what?
yeah, let's open Excel and see if we can see that in the, let's open up blank Excel. Let's see if we can see what's in the word clipboard in Excel. Once you open Excel, go to the Home tab, Clipboard Group, and launch the clipboard. Does it?
Yeah, it's there.
Yes. So the clipboard seems to be universal. Go ahead and close Excel. It seems to be universal. Universal meaning that it's worldwide. So in this instance, worldwide means that it's everywhere on anything that uses the clipboard or anything where you can view the clipboard on the computer. Okay. So any other question? Okay, Workness, read the copy text box.
Okay, 1 minute. When you copy, you take a copy of the text or object and place it on the clipboard. The original text or object remain in the same location. Then you can paste the copy located on the clipboard anywhere. You can continue to paste the same text or object continuously.
Continuously, yes. Okay. So, Ryder, could you read the cut box?
What is it? Did you hear me?
What's the problem?
I don't know. It was gone.
Huh?
It was silent. Did you hear me? I read it.
Yeah, we heard you.
Okay.
Cut. When you cut, you remove the text or the object from the original location and place it on the clipboard. Then you can paste it anywhere. You can continue to paste the same text or object continuously.
Okay. So let's try cut. Let's scroll up to the title, copy, cut, and paste. Let's select it. Remember, to copy or to cut, you have to select whatever you're copying or cutting. You have to select it first. So someone say one way to cut.
Also right click.
Right click is the
Yes, you
fastest
can
one.
right click and you'll see cut right there in the shortcut menu. What's another way to cut?
And Control
Plus C.
Control plus
X.
Z.
X.
X.
Control plus X
C
is
is copy.
cut. Control plus C is the copy.
It's copy, yeah.
Yeah. So we press Control plus X. What's another way to cut?
And the whole tab. The whole tab and the clipboard. You got it.
On the Home tab, Clipboard Group, we have the cut command there as well. So let's try the Control plus X. Control plus X. And it is gone. Let's cut the picture in the copy text box. I mean, yes, in the copy text box. You have to click on it first, and then you cut. Go ahead and cut. There we go, it's gone. So whenever you cut, it disappears. And let's go ahead and cut the text box, the cut text box. How do you select the text box?
Click on the corner.
The border.
Right, you have to click on the border, the dashed line, that yellowish, orangish dotted line. That's the border of the text box. So click on it and choose whichever way you want to cut. So go ahead and cut. There we go. So now it's all in the clipboard. We can go to the clipboard. Now we are going to paste. Paste is what you do when you take something that you have cut or copied and you place it someplace else. So let's say we click right above the copy text box. Click in that space right above the copy text box. Everyone with me?
Yes.
And we're going to go to the clipboard and look for either one of the copy, cut, and paste. Either one will do because they're both the same thing. So go to the clipboard. You put your mouse pointer on copy, cut, and paste. And there's a drop-down arrow to the right. Click the drop-down arrow. And you have two options. You can click paste, or you can delete this from the clipboard. So we want to click on paste. See, there it goes. Now the insertion point is located to the right of the copy text box. Is your insertion point located to the right of the copy text box? That's a question to the class. Is your insertion point located to the right of the copy text box?
Yes.
Anyone that can't see their insertion point?
Yes.
So everyone can see their insertion point.
Yes.
Okay, and it's to the right of the copy text box. We're going to leave it there, and we're going to paste another, we're going to paste the cut text box. We don't need to go to the clipboard to paste the cut text box. We can go to the Home tab, Clipboard group. The paste command is there. We can right-click right where the insertion point is located, and the paste command is there. But the paste command, there are so many options in the paste command. So you have to know what you're looking for when you're going to paste. So we'll talk about that in a minute. So, or you can, right, you can paste by pressing what on the keyboard?
Control and V.
Control and V as in Victor. You can press that to paste. But let's go down to, we're going to come back to this page. But in the meantime, Hudita, could you read the paste text box
Sure.
at the bottom of the page?
Yes. Paste. The text or objects must first be placed on the clipboard before they can be
Pasted.
pasted. In the order to text.
No, there's no the there.
No.
There's no, you said in the order, there's no the there.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. In order for text and objects to get to the clipboard,
What?
they-
Read
they
it again.
must- in the order for the text.
Listen to what you're saying when you're reading.
Yes. You want me to start again?
Yeah,
Okay. In order for text or objects to get on the clipboard, they must first be either cut or copied. Only then they can be anything be pasted.
pasted.
And you want to continue?
That's it.
Yeah, we do the example, right?
So you have to understand, if you did not cut or copied anything, you are not going to be able to paste,
Yes.
because you can only paste after copying and cutting.
Mhm.
And one thing about pasting, we can only, when we click the paste command on the Home tab clipboard group, when we right click to paste, or when we do Control+V, we can only paste what we previously cut or copied. Let's say we wanted to paste the first thing that we copied, which is the last thing in the clipboard. You cannot do Control+V or right click and paste, or paste from the clipboard group. You cannot do that.
And
with
there's
any
three
of
different.
those.
There's three different options, right?
What?
When you paste, you have three different options. And in the ribbon.
Right, yeah, there are. How do you mean three?
Well, I can see there has three
When you
different
click the
options.
bottom part of paste?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about that.
Okay,
Mine has 4.
Oh, really? Mine
Yeah.
has 3.
Mhm. So, what was I saying? I think I was saying that if you are, you can only paste what you previously cut or copied if you're going to use the clipboard command, the Control+B, or the right click and paste. If you need to paste something that you cut or copied several cut or copied before, you have to go to the clipboard to find it. And then you can paste it. Jose, could you read that first paragraph on page 41 and then those text boxes?
Okay. Text must first be selected before it can be copied and cut. There are 3. Excuse me?
I don't think you said.
Copy or cut.
Mhm.
Okay. I start over. Text must first be selected before it can be copied or cut. There are 3 ways to copy or cut. First, select the text or object.
Wait, read what's in yellow.
Oh, sorry about that.
Mhm.
The first way, first select the text or object. Then go to Home tab, Clipboard group, and click Cut or Copy. The second way, first select the text or object. Right-click on the selection, then click on Cut or Copy. The third way, first select the text or object. On the keyboard, press Ctrl+X to cut. Or on the keyboard, press Ctrl+C to copy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Abraham, could you please read the rest of that page?
Okay. There are 4 ways to paste. You must have first either cut or copied something. First way, place the insertion point where you want to paste the text or object. Then go to the Home tab, Clipboard group, and click either on the top part of the paste command or click the arrow below for more options to paste. Second way, right-click where you want to paste the text or object and then choose one of the paste options below paste options. The third way, place the insertion point where you want to paste the text or object. Then on the clipboard, press Ctrl+V. The fourth way, place the insertion point where you want to paste the text or object. Launch the clipboard from the clipboard group on the Home tab. Then find what you want to paste on the clipboard. Click the drop-down arrow to the right and click Paste.
Okay, so let's go back to page 40. And let's do another paste. We're gonna paste the cut dialog box. Let's go to the clipboard. When we go to the clipboard, we're going to click the arrow to the right of the cut text box, and we're going to click paste. There. When you paste, you see to the bottom right of the text box, you see a little box. When you put your mouse pointer on it, it says, the screen tip says paste options. Everyone sees that box? So the screen
Yes.
tip says paste options and control in parentheses. So there are paste options. Click that paste options box. When we click the paste options box, we have two paste options. The first one, put your mouse pointer on the first one. It says use destination theme. So everyone knows destination is where you end up, right? You're going someplace and the destination is wherever you end up. In this instance, when we're talking about copying and paste, we're talking about the destination is wherever you're going to paste. That's the destination. So when it says, when the screen tip says use destination theme, it means that you are going to use whatever formatting is used in the destination, or whichever theme is used in the destination. Put your mouse pointer on the second option, and it says keep source formatting. Now, we know that source is wherever you cut or copied, wherever it came from. So if you are pasting something that had formatting where it was, then when you choose keep source formatting, you're going to keep the formatting from where whatever you cut or copied, you'll keep the formatted from that place. Does anyone have a third one? A third paste option?
Yes,
What's your third paste option?
Merge formatting.
Merge formatting. So merge formatting is just what it says. It mixes the source formatting with the destination formatting. So then you have a mixture of both.
Wow.
Anyone has another paste option?
Please, I have a question.
Yes,
What does that mean, formatting?
formatting. Formatting, didn't you do formatting?
No, I don't think so.
Show your navigation pane. Click on headings. Read the third heading.
Okay. Entry and formatting text in Microsoft.
Mhm. So click on that.
I click on that.
Hmm? Yeah, click on entering and formatting text in Microsoft Word 2016. Just read to yourself the first paragraph.
I read the first paragraph.
And read what's in the text box.
Okay.
What do you get from that?
Formatting.
What is
Thing is-
formatting?
It's what the computer brought. It's already there in the system.
And
We can change it if we want.
right, and what things can be considered formatting?
The file name.
Well,
the
no,
font.
file name is not formatting. That's just a default. Oh, well, I put formatting. Okay, go ahead, yeah.
The ribbon.
What's that?
The ribbon is already formatting. It's already there.
Does that say that?
No.
Well, why are you saying that? That didn't say that. The ribbon that you use to apply formatting. And formatting can be the font. You can change the font. You can change the font size, that's formatting. You can change font color, that's formatting. You can change alignment, that is formatting. You can change style, that's formatting. You can change, What else? If we click Design tab, you can apply themes. That's formatting. You can apply a page color. That's formatting. You can apply page borders. That's formatting. Let's go to Layout tab. Layout tab. You can change margins, that's formatting, orientation, that's formatting. You can change spacing, that's formatting. All of those things are formatting. Okay, let's go back to, whoops. Let's go back to the cut, copy, and paste heading. Okay. So we were talking about the paste options. The best way to see that, let's go right above the copy and cut text boxes where we pasted copy and cut. Copy, cut, and paste. Let's select copy, cut, and paste. Let's delete it. And now we're going to go to the Home tab. Oh no, I should have cut. Undo, do an undo. We are going to cut, copy, cut, and paste. So go ahead and cut, copy, cut, and paste. Now we are going to use either the paste command in the clipboard group on the Home tab, or we're going to right click and use one of the paste options when we right click. So if we go to the paste command in the clipboard group of the Home tab, you can put your mouse pointer on the top part of paste and put your mouse pointer on the bottom part of paste. So there are two different options to choose from right there, right? So if you choose the top one, you get the default paste. The default paste, go ahead to the bottom part of paste and click there, and then put your mouse pointer on the first paste option. The first paste option says keep source formatting. That is the default paste option, right? So when we click away from that, let's go back to the paste command. When we click the paste, the top part of paste, we are choosing to keep source formatting. So go ahead and click the top part of paste. So we have the source formatting. Let's undo. Undo. Let's click the bottom part of paste. Now, we already tried keep source formatting. I have two other options. I have merge formatting, or I have keep text only. If I choose merge formatting, does everyone have merge formatting?
Yes.
Anyone does not have merge formatting? Okay, so that's telling me that everyone has merge formatting. So go ahead and click merge formatting. So the merge formatting for this is actually, well, it's not really taking the destination formatting, because the destination formatting, if you click on vice versa is font size 14, but the copy, cut, and paste is font size 10.5. They are both Calibri. So it's not using the source formatting. Look below copy, cut, and paste, where we just pasted, and we see the paste options button. Click on that. It gives us even more options to paste. Let's put our mouse pointer on keep source formatting. If we choose keep source formatting, go ahead and click keep source formatting. That's the source formatting. That's how it was at the top of the page, right? That's the source formatting. Let's now, the button is still there. The paste option button is right below copy, cut, and paste. It's on the right side below copy, cut, and paste. Let's go ahead and click it again. The second one was merge formatting. We already did merge formatting. The third one is use destination styles. Now click use destination styles. It didn't change it. Now click the paste options button again. Then the last one is keep text only. So go ahead and click keep text only. So it gives us the merge formatting, the same merge formatting. Any questions about that? Any questions?
So when we choose paste, so we should choose keep source format, right?
It depends on what you need.
Okay.
It depends on what you need for the document. Because if we choose keep source formatting, we're gonna have, let's go ahead and click the button, the paste options button, and choose keep source formatting. If we keep source formatting, let's click anywhere in copy, cut, and paste. Let's look at the formatting that we get when we choose source formatting. If we go to the Home tab, you can see in the paragraph group, it's center align. If we go to, I don't understand why it's saying normal in the styles group. In the styles group, it should say heading 1. I'm not sure why it's saying normal. But if you don't want that formatting, you can just go ahead and click the paste options button. You can just go ahead and choose the merge formatting or the keep text only. The merge formatting, you can see on the Home tab in the font group, the font size is 10.5. They are both using the same font, Calibri Body, but the font size changes to 10.5. Go to the paragraph group, the alignment changes to align left. And the style is still normal. I don't understand the other one, why it wasn't heading 1. I kind of forgot the question. Did I answer your question?
Yes, but in this case, so if we use merge, so we have to reformat it, right? Because it's a heading, we need a big font size.
Exactly.
And we need the center alignment, right?
Yes. We might not need the center align. We might just prefer to keep align left. But we could keep the center align, yeah. Depends on what we're using, what we're gonna do with that text. Any other questions? Okay, let's get back our page to the original. So let's go to undo. Click the drop down arrow to the right of undo.
I have a question. You have one more option for paste. So that is a use destination theme. Can you show us what it look like?
Oh, use destination theme. Okay,
Yes.
let's click use destination theme. That was use destination theme, which is not the well, maybe it's the destination theme. I'm not sure. Let me click on it and see. Click on it. You see, now I click on it, and if I go to the home tab styles group, it's heading 1. It shows heading 1 now. You see what I mean?
Yes.
In the paragraph group, it's still center, it's still center aligned. If we go to the font group, the font size is 20. And the font changed to century something. I know this is a little confusing. What does this all mean? It took me a while to understand it, and I had to be using it constantly in order to understand what all of this means. So don't preoccupy with yourself with the paste options right now. This is just to introduce you to it, to let you know that this is here and this is available for your paste. But don't preoccupy yourself with what they all mean, because it takes a while to figure out how to use that. Any other questions? Okay, so I don't think undo is going to allow us to undo everything. But let me see, let's try and see. Let's undo, let's undo, let's undo, let's undo, let's undo, let's undo, undo. Okay. Did everyone undo everything and got their page back to how it was at the beginning?
Yeah.
Let's see what the activity asks us to do. me see if we can find a document that we have used in the past. Okay, tell you what, go to OneDrive to your Word folder. And open the practice saving document. Everyone got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's select your name. Use the mini toolbar, mini toolbar to apply bold. Change the font to Algerian. Change the font to Algerian. Increase the font size to 16. And change the font color to a different color, any color that you choose. So then we are going to select your name again. And we're going to copy. So copy whichever way you like to copy. Now you're going to put your insertion point between Carlos Rosario Charter School and Computer Basics 2 class. So just click between there. We're going to go to the Home tab, Clipboard Group. We're going to click the bottom part of Paste, the bottom part of Paste. So we can choose Keep Source Formatting. We can choose Merge Formatting, or we can use Keep Text Only. So we already know what the source formatting is, right? It's all the formatting changes that we just made. So let's try merge formatting. Click merge formatting. So you see what merge formatting did. If you go to the Home tab, to the font group, it changed the font, right? The source font is Algerian. The destination font is, wait, let's click on the destination font. Carlos Rosario Charter School. That destination font is Calibri Body. Let's click back on your name. The font size is font 11, font size 11. That's the destination font size. That's what Carlos Rosario Charter School and Computer Basics 2 class. That's their font size. So that's the destination font size. And in the font group, also bold. Now, the destination font is not bold. So this is where the merge comes in. So the bold was in the, click on your name at the top, where we applied all the formatting. You can see, if you go to the Home tab font group, you see that that is bold. Go back and click on your name between Carlos Rosario and Computer Basics 2. So that's where things merge, right? Because it's keeping some of the formatting from the source, although it's taking on some of the formatting from the destination. Does that make sense? Okay. So let's see. Remember, the source is where we made all the changes to your name, that first line, right? We changed the font to Algerian. We increased the font size to 16. We applied bold and we changed the font color, right? So that's the source formatting. That's the source. Remember, we copied this, the first line, we copied the first line and pasted it between Carlos Rosario Charter School and Computer Basics 2 class. So we pasted line 1 in between those two lines. But when we pasted, we chose merge formatting, right? And remember, when you merge, you mix things together. That's what happens when you merge. You mix things together. So, and when you mix things, just like when you mix colors, sometimes it looks a little bit like one color. Well, I guess colors is not the same, the right example. But when you mix colors, you just get a different color. Sorry, that was a bad example. But when you merge, like on the road, right? To get onto the highway, you need to get on the on-ramp. And then some highways, you can just merge in, and then you are part of the highway. You're not part of the on-ramp anymore. You're part of the highway. So then that's how that changes. That's where the merge comes in. You become part of the highway. You're not part of the ramp anymore. And that's even a worse example. Is anyone understanding any of this that would like to try to explain it in their own words?
I think when you use the merge formatting, so you keep both features of the source and the new one. For example, with the your name, so you keep the original source is bold, right? but you lose some features of the source. For example, the color and the font size and the font body. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So now let's go to the button below your name that you pasted between Carlos Rosario and Computer Basics. Let's click that. Let's click the paste options button. And the third option is keep text only. So if we click that, it's no longer, it doesn't have the bold anymore. Now it's only keeping the text only, the exact same text that is surrounding it, right? So on the top, you have Carlos Rosario Charter School, and then on the bottom, you have Computer Basics 2. So it's keeping that basics font. So that's what it did. What that keep text only, that's what it does. It just keeps the font that the other lines around it have. It doesn't keep any formatting at all. And you can see, press Control plus END, Control plus End, and then press Enter twice. You can see, you can go to the clipboard and click the where it says Preview Not Available. Click the drop-down arrow and click Paste. You still have that there on the clipboard. Press Enter twice. And you have, and look for the text box. Click the drop-down arrow and click Paste. So we still have all of the things that we put on we copied and pasted in the other document. We have them available in this document. Any questions? Okay, press Enter twice again. Oops, you have to click outside the box. Click outside the box and press Enter twice. Well, press Enter until you get below the text box. And then go to the clipboard group and paste, copy, cut, and paste. Go ahead and paste it without me telling you. Oh, geez, look at that. Look at copy, cut, and paste. It's using use destination style. So you see the options, paste options button, click on it. You can see which one is selected. In mine, it's using destination styles. If I were to use keep source formatting, go ahead and click source formatting. See the source from the other document. That's how it was in the other document when we click keep source formatting. You see how different they look when you choose, let's try merge formatting. Oh, look at merge formatting. And then let's click keep text only. Same thing, keep text only. So let's go back to use destination styles. There we go. Isn't that interesting?
Yes.
Okay. Whoops. Any questions before we move on? So tomorrow we're going to do printing.
Yeah.
So let's save this, select, cut, copy, and paste, and copy it. And then we're going to save this. We're going to save this in our Word folder in OneDrive. Word folder in OneDrive. And we're going to name it, no, just paste inside file name. Paste, and we're pasting copy, cut, and paste. Was everyone able to follow that? Maybe? Was everyone able to to save
Yeah. Yes.
as copy, cut, and paste? That's the file name?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so go ahead and save. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope I didn't confuse you too much. Okay, so have a good afternoon and see you all tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.